Hey everybody, so today is my first video on this channel. I am really excited about making videos on this channel. I've been wanting to do this for a really long time, but I just pussied out a lot. So yeah, now we're here. So let's get into it. Hello, if you don't know me, my name is Richard Denny, and I run another channel here on YouTube that is dedicated to books and other types of media. And I've been doing that for the past 8 years, and now I want something new. I want to go on a new adventure, and what better adventure into the beauty community. Am I crazy? Am I crazy? Yes, I'm crazy. We need more fat gay men in this community, right? Especially fat gay Mexican men, even though I'm light-skinned as a motherfucker. You could probably tell from my background, I'm different. Yes, I got a bookshelf behind me, obviously because I have another channel, but I have a lot of horror memorabilia things because I am a horror movie freak, and that is something you will probably get to know about me. I'm a weirdo. Hello. So I will be mainly using cruelty-free makeup on this channel because that's like my thing. I love using cruelty-free makeup. I am slowly transitioning all my other things, you know, cruelty-free shampoo, conditioner, shaving cream, all that stuff. So it's slowly happening, but almost all my makeup, except for my makeup wipes, are cruelty-free. Everything else I use is cruelty-free. So yes. So you'll mainly be seeing cruelty-free makeup on the channel. I mean, you'll only be seeing cruelty-free makeup. Like, I'm not going to use any other brands. So yeah, and I'm a drugstore hoe. So I like my cheap makeup. I mean, if I can get like high-end makeup really cheap on a good deal, maybe I will get it. But a majority of the time, I'm a cheap hoe. I'm going to be recreating a look that I did on Instagram earlier this month, no, in March. And it was a blue look that I did, sort of inspired by the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette. And though I don't have it, it's too expensive for me right now, so can't get it. But I was inspired by all the looks that I was seeing from the campaign, so I did my own using the James Charles and Morphe palette, along with the Wet n Wild Art in the Streets palette, which I'm not sure if you can buy this anymore. Maybe you can find this on Amazon, but the pigment in this palette is so good, which is the reason why I'm using it today. But I mainly used the James Charles palette. So yeah. Okay, so we are zoomed in now. I already started on this eye priming it. I'm using the Morphe 173 brush right here. This is what I use to spread out the concealer on my eye. I use the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Fair 04. And I just put it on my eye and move it around. My lids and my face is really oily, so I work with this, and then right before I put on any color on my eyes, I'll go through again and do this so that it breaks up all the oil that is like sitting on my lids. But I'm putting it all on my eye. I'm using this Wet n Wild crease brush that I got from Dollar Tree. It's stained, but this bitch works, so I use it. Dipping in to this blue right here, you can see how pigmented that is. It's got a lot of color, and I really like it. Tap that bitch off real quick. So now I have that blue down. Now I'm going to go into the James Charles Morphe palette right here, and I'm going to use this other blue shade, which is right here, and I forgot what it's called, but this is the one I'm going to use because it's darker than this one. And then we're more than likely going to go into this dark one right here as well. I'm going to go ahead and go into it. We're going to use another Wet n Wild brush. This one's a little bit smaller because sometimes at Dollar Tree you can find defected Wet n Wild brushes that are like oddly shaped or just a little bit smaller. Like compared to this one, look at that. And they're both the same exact brush, crease brush. There's no such thing as a bigger one or a smaller one. So this was just messed up during production, and you get wonky ass looking brushes that actually work out really well for your makeup routine. So yeah, I'm using this small one, and that's why I love Dollar Tree, okay, for that dark blue. So there we have that dark blue down. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the shimmer. And the shimmer that I use is actually not from the James Charles palette. It is from this Juvia's Place palette, the festival one. And this one is called Uli. Uli, I think. It's right here, this white shimmer. That's what I use for over here. And my dog is barking outside. Motherfucker, who you barking at? I'm going to put that shimmer on. And oh my god, hold up, wait a minute, it's a 22, PM, hold up, wait a minute, it's a chop, it's a chop. Okay, I need to calm down. Now we're ready for the face, and I use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in soft beige right here, and I also use the e.l.f. Poreless Putty primer. Yes, I use this. I know everybody's after this. It's sold out everywhere. I do not know why they haven't restocked it yet, but I'm gonna need more because I really like this. So I use this little scooper that I jacked from Ulta, which they're free anyway, right? But I took this from Ulta and I used this, get in here, and I just placed it. That was too much. Okay. One of the things that I hate the most about putting foundation on my forehead is getting it in my hair line, or lack thereof, hairline that I have. I know a bitch is receding, but I just hate getting shit in my hair because then you can see it and it looks cloudy and nasty, but nothing you can fucking do. Could shave my head, but I don't know. I don't want to look like Uncle Fester so soon. Well, I'm gonna blend the rest of this out, and then we're gonna get into the concealer haul. I'm gonna go in with my powder bronzer, and this is the butter one from Physicians Formula. Right here, this is the regular one, and then I use this Tuscan Hills brush to go ahead and do that because it's a really nice like size. So I'm gonna go ahead and, oh my god, it smells so good. I could eat this. I could. I love coconut. But I'm gonna go ahead and add some of this in, bring some life back into this pale look that I have on camera. And yeah, I'm gonna do up here, do a little bit of my forehead, and then we'll be ready to go with the rest of the look. Okay, so now that I have the bronzer on, I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Loose Setting Powder in Translucent, and I'm going to put that with this little sponge. You can tell I already used this for powder, and I'm going to put it underneath my eyes just a little bit so that I can catch the fallout, because I'm going to do my lower lash line right now. And then my eyebrows are pretty much already done. I went through them with a spoolie and then added some of the LA Colors Browy Wowie brow gel, and I really like this because it's really pigmented. And I went in with my LA Colors Browy Wowie pencil, which looks like this. It's an angled, pretty thick pencil, and I really like it. And these two things are only $2 at Dollar General, and they're like my everything. I love them. I recently just got into this brow gel, but this one I've been using for a while and I really like it. went and did the lower lash line with the same colors that I used on top, and I also did my mascara and curled my lashes, and I use the Wet n Wild Max Volume mascara. I don't wear false lashes because I have hooded eyes, and a lot of them don't really work for me, and also they're a bitch to put on, and I just don't feel like putting them on, so I don't wear them. I don't do eyeliner either because I don't really know how to do eyeliner that well, and I just don't want to fuck with it. So yeah, so now we're gonna go in and do some highlight. My setting spray is the Wet n Wild Matte Finish, and I'm going to do this really quickly, and I'm going to use the Wet n Wild highlighter in Blossom Glow, which is really pretty and it is blinding and I love it. Like, that is just so pretty, and you can build them and they're like blinding. Ooh, and just look how, like, that is just so pretty. I love that. Oh yes. So yeah, so now we're done with that. Now we're gonna go into the lips, and what I used was the Lorac Pro Liquid Lipstick in Pink Plum, or Plum Pink, and I got these at Marshall's. They were like 2 inside of a holiday pack for $6, and I was like, because they're originally like $22 each. But I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Now I have that lip on, and you can leave it like this, but I went in with this gloss. This is the Essence Shine Shine Wet Gloss in Glamour. Yeah, I think that's Glamour. This is so pretty, but I just think it adds like just some cuteness, and it smells like candy. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna put this on really quickly. So that's what it looks like. I think it looks really cute with the gloss. But this is it. Go over with some setting spray or water in a bottle, whatever. I don't know why I'm wasting that shit. I ain't fucking going anywhere. It's like 3 o'clock in the morning. But this is it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you would like to see on here. Not a lot of reviews because the bitch is broke all the time, so yeah, you know, we'll see about reviews. But tutorials and stuff like that, I can do. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time on this channel. Now let me go film myself.